Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Guru. Finally friends, I'm going to unbox the ROG Phone 3 in my channel, and this is my first ROG phone as well, and my first dedicated gaming phone unboxing in my channel. Yes, till now I did not buy any kind of gaming dedicated phone, and let's see. Is it worth it to buy the ROG Phone 3 right now in the 2021 for about 32,000 or not? Because right now this is the lowest price you can actually get in the Flipkart if you want to buy during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. And few of the users are actually waiting for this kind of reviews because they want to know what are the problems and what are the advantages and disadvantages. So that's what I will try to do, friends. In-depth comparisons and in-depth reviews which I'll try to do on this phone for the next couple of days. And one more quick good news is that I'm going to sell a few of my phones as well, and all the phones which I'm going to sell, I'll try to update the list here. Okay, in case if you're interested in one of the phone, you can just message me and I'll try to give the email address as well, as you can see exactly. So mostly I'll try to give the phone in the person, maybe in the Hyderabad, somewhere around in the Hyderabad we can actually meet some in the Hyderabad location. That's the one thing we should definitely understand. But right now let's unbox the ROG Phone 3, and as I said, this is my first gaming phone, and let's see how well this phone gonna hold up in this 2021. Is it good decision to buy the ROG phone for the gaming or not? That's what I'm going to exactly check. And is my box inside, and you can see the lot of dust is there. Maybe it's sitting in the stock for a lot of time. As you can see exactly, friends, there's a lot of dust everywhere. This is my first time seeing a phone coming in full of dust. So let's keep this complete box aside and let's do the unboxing, and let's get initial impressions as well. And as I said, I'll try to definitely do the in-depth testing on the ROG Rogphone 3, so stay tuned for those videos. And so in case if you're interested. And let's start the unboxing process of this phone. So let's see how will the phone will be there in terms of the box contents and everything. And I'm going to show you what is the pre-install applications, and the variant which I did order is the 8GB RAM variant, and this is a Snapdragon 865 plus chipset, and that's also another good thing, Snapdragon 865 plus, because right now we are getting in this price Snapdragon 870 most of the time, but still Snapdragon 865 and 870 is slightly kind of close to each other in terms of the performance and everything. And is a box inside, and here we go with the case which we do have. That's kind of good, and we do have the SIM card pin as well. That's kind of neat, and is a exact phone which we got here, and it feels kind of heavy as I expected, right? Because I was really prepared to be kind of heavy because of the 240 grams, but still, wow, it looks really good. It feels really solid, friends, because of the huge tall screen, because of the bottom and top bezels, because of speakers, and it feels really good. And in terms of the weight distribution, I did not feel that kind of heavy at this moment, but maybe after some time, maybe I won't be able to feel it. But right now we do have the charger included in the box, and we do have the cable, and there is dongle also protected because there is no 3.5mm jack for this phone. So in case if you want to use the 3.5mm jack, you need to connect the dongle, and if you want, you can charge with the other USB type port as well. And let's do the switch on. Let's start switch on process and boot up process and everything. So let's keep this everything aside, and let's see whether is there any kind of power in the phone or not, because I do know this kind of really old stock. So at this moment, I'm not sure whether there will be power or not. And as I said, this is my first ROG phone and the first dedicated gaming phone as well, which I'm really excited. Wow, the haptic feedbacks. Wow, when the phone is starting, the haptic feedbacks are really good. And is the initial setup. Let me try to start the initial setup process and everything. So wow, the haptic feedbacks are fantastic, friends. I did like the haptic feedback in this phone, which is really great. And there's an initial setup which I'm trying to do at this moment. You can clearly see that. So it's really good to see this kind of very strong haptic feedbacks. After the, I think, iQOO 7, I did see this kind of haptic levels in this phone. And we do get the stock Android kind of experience in this phone. But let's see what are the bloatware and what are the apps which got installed. That's what I'm going to again check on this ROG phone. But overall, my first impressions were like, wow, on this phone. So let me to skip everything and don't copy. And let me know in the comment section below what are the testings you want me to do on this device. So which phones you want me to compare. So definitely I'll try to do this kind of priority in my channel, and I'll try to post the videos as soon as possible. And this will ask you to select the styles, what type of style you want. I'm on just clean experience only. So let's see what is the Android version we got and what is the internal storage availability in this ROG Phone 3. And finally, it's a stock Android experience, friends. That's fantastic. So it's kind of combination of the gaming phone with a stock Android experience. That's really good. So let's go to the phone. I think it should be kind of Android 11, I think so. I think it's running on Android 10 right now. As you can see out of the box, it's running Android 10. It is not Android 11. So maybe we might get the Android 11 update as soon as possible, I think so. But let me try to check the update. I did receive the software update, something related, but they did not mention any kind of Android 11 at this moment. But let's see what about the internal storage. How is the internal storage availability? Right now, internal storage availability is only 19.14 GB is used out of 128 GB. So definitely, I think we're going to get the Android 11 update. As soon as I get the Android 11 update, I'll try to make the video on that particular topic as well. So that's one thing. And next is regarding the applications. You can see how many applications got installed. There's none application got installed except the Netflix. Netflix and the Facebook. I cannot see any kind of other bloatware exactly happening in this ROG Phone 3. And overall, it feels wow. So for the moment of typing, it's really good, friends, the haptic feedback. Wow, this is the best haptic feedback I got. Wow. Like it's kind of slightly more than the iQOO 7's haptic feedbacks in terms of the voice. It's really good to see this kind of performance and 144 Hz refresh rate. I think by default, let's see whether the display is of 144 or not. By default, it will be capped at, I think, auto. So we need to adjust to the 144 Hz refresh rate as well. That's very smooth experience you'll be getting anyway. Because I did use the Moto H20 before, so that's another thing you can definitely check. So meanwhile, let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts on this ROG Phone 3? Are you interested to buy this phone right now in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale or not? How many users are actually thinking of buying them? And the weight is about close to 240 grams. We are getting the weight, not bad. So previously I did use the iQOO 3, which is kind of close to 220 grams. For the small size, it used to be small size. So then I used to feel a lot of heavy as well, but still. So let's put the case on and let's check what will be the weight of the case on. So am I correct? Yes, exactly. Perfect. Wow. This looks really good, friends. So every company should provide like this kind of case instead of transparent case, I wish. But let's see with the case what will be the weight of the phone. It's about 255 grams. Not bad. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick unboxing and initial setup process and applications and internal storage availability. So next I'll try to compare with the speed test and a lot of gaming reviews on this ROG Phone 3 regarding the 8 triggers and 90 FPS gameplay and how it's going to be there, everything. I'll definitely do a lot of in-depth comparison. So let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, what kind of videos are you interested in this phone? So what are your doubts? So before you actually buy this phone, you should know all the doubts should be completely cleared. That's what my channel is about. So let me know in the comment section below what are the thoughts, and don't forget to check the about info frequently, because I'll try to update the phones as soon as they get sale. I need to update, as you can see. That's the reason I'm trying to mention to you again and again. So make sure to follow the about info every day. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to do the camera comparisons and display comparisons, mainly loudspeaker. There's plenty of things which I need to explore in this phone, especially the Game Genie which is present, I think, in this phone. That's also another good advantage. I need to take advantage of the Game Genie as well. So this is the complete interface which I'll try to discuss after installing a couple of applications in this phone. That's it, friends. We can actually see the logos coming on, light RGB logos on the back side, as you can see clearly. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.